Maybe you've seen those videos of people tripping up the stairs as they exit New York's 36th Street station, just because one single stair is just a fraction of an inch higher than the others, which just goes to show how important to us.
Since you're on the subject of the importance of standards and making everything all nice and even and symmetrical, maybe take a moment before filming to straighten out your beard. That's something important too, you filthy animal.
The even distribution of rise and run has to be, but not everywhere. There is a legendary stairway in a guest house in the northern part of Laos, which only the purest of heart can ascend safely. This is because every single step has different dimensions.
Designing and building stairs is usually an exact science with strict guidelines covering the rise, that's the height from one step to the next, and how deep each tread must be within certain guidelines, along with a whole bunch of other regulations. After having taken just a step or two, our brain memorizes the rhythm of the stairs, and if even one single stair is off, our brain glitches and our muscle memory is thrown off course. We even adjust our stride instinctively as we approach a series of stairs to synchronize and seamlessly merge our arrival. And about these stairs being legendary.
Of course, I just made that part up. This was probably a creative attempt at matching up uneven stair patterns and dimensions. And just stick a warning label, and everything's good.